Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I am now at the Melbourne airport and I'm flying with Virgin to go to Sydney. So I've done an online check-in and everything, got my bag. I'm only really staying there for a night. So yeah, this is actually pretty heavy. 6.6 kilos, 7 kilos is the allowed carry-on, so this is perfect. So we're going to make our way to departure. Alright guys, we're now on the plane, we're going to be heading soon and hopefully it's going to be on time. Guys, we've arrived at the Sydney airport and Virgin has got their own little terminal, so I'm going to have to put the camera away because I think I'm going to go through like one of those security check things again. But yeah, I'm going to hop onto a train and then I'm going to go into the city. I'm going to meet up with one of my aunts to sort out like a family thing first. So yeah, I've got a lot of things on this trip. So initially I was going to come here just for like a family matter, but then Google invited me to come to this event and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to hit two birds with one stone. It's kind of like what happened last time. So yeah, I'm always very busy and trying to smash I always try and smash so many things into one trip. Then after that I'm going to meet up with Sunita. We're going to have some food, catch up because I haven't seen her in so long. And then I think she's going to help me take out Instagram photos. And then I'll head over to the Airbnb, leave my bag, just leave it there and also get freshen up and then head over to the event. Alright, let's go, let's go. So when you come to Sydney, you can obviously take the trains, as you guys can see, that's what I'm going to be doing. But there's also like buses, shuttles, and like taxis and stuff. But yeah, trains. I love coming to Sydney. I love coming to Sydney, New South Wales in general that have these trains because they're double deck and I just find that so convenient. So here's a little map of Sydney if you guys don't know. And that's the train system, pretty well covered. I used to live in a town called Wollongong, which is like this blue line here. It's further down. So that's like the uni town that I went to. But yeah, it's the same line that I also used to take to get up to Sydney. Right, let's go. So there's a few trains. So it looks like there's a few trains heading towards where I need to go. So let's just hop on. Actually, I just remembered my Opal card, which is basically the stored value card that you use to get on train public transport. I think it's only got $6. I think I checked it. Yeah, I checked it out last night. I only had $6. I think the fare to and from the city, like the airport, is like $17. I'm gonna have to top that up and then top that up, and then let's go. I'm done with that whole family stuff and now I'm going to head over to Paddy's Market to meet up with Sunita again. So good, I haven't seen her in so long and it's going to be great to catch up with her. I do talk to her pretty much on a daily, like texting, but it's different when you want to see your best friend in person. It is a bright and gorgeous day here in Sydney. Guys, so I'm now at Pepper Lunch and I've got Sunita with me. Do you want to be on it?
Hang on.
Yeah, hang on. And our food is here, so say hello to Sunita.
Hello.
Got our food. Really hungry. This is like a tradition that we started like years ago before I moved to Melbourne. So yeah, we're gonna catch up and I'm starving. Let's go eat. Alright, so Sunita has brought me to a new part, well it's not a new part, but it's new to me, called Barangaroo, so near Darlinghurst. Darling Harbour. Keep getting confused between the two. So we're just going to check out a cafe, chill, and then I might take a few photos for the gram because why not? And then just catch up a bit more. Yes. So these donuts are so cute. Hey guys, so I'm back at Central Station, well close to it. It's really windy, hopefully you guys can hear me. So I said goodbye to Sunita and I'm going to head over to my Airbnb, which is in Redfern, which isn't too far from here. We're going to go to stop by Priceline because we've got to bring contact lens solution. So as you guys know, nearsighted, need to have contacts all the time. I'm in a part of the station where I haven't been in so long. I remember I got lost in this section once, like it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see that section there. It's that section over there. I got lost once because I got out of the wrong exit, and there's like a funny story which I'll tell you later because I don't think you guys can really hear me because it's really windy. Whew. Hey guys, I'm finally at the Airbnb. Sorry I didn't vlog on the way here because I had like my big bag, which is that one over there, and I also had a little Woolies bag which is over there, and it was just like literally really heavy to carry that bag. So that bag was like 6.6 kilos when I weighed it, and I also had that, and then I also had my phone in my hand because I didn't really know where I was going, so I had to rely on GPS. So that was a little bit tiring. I've never really explored Redfern before, so I really wanted to just walk. I mean, I was getting really tired and I was this close to ordering like one of those Ola, Uber, Didi. You guys know how I feel about Uber. So I was really close to ordering one of those because I was getting so tired. But you know, I thought, look, I'm just going to walk now, and then once I'm freshened up and everything, I'm just going to catch one of those services to the event. Alright, so I'll give you guys a little bit of an Airbnb room tour. Alright, we're going to start from the bottom and work our way to the top. Okay, so that's the front door. Sorry, I'm just being really quiet because I don't know if the Airbnb host lives in there, because there's another door here and it says Airbnb's upstairs, so I'm assuming this is their private residence. So I'll show you guys on the way up. We've got these modern looking stairs, it's really cool, and then we'll work our way up. We've got a smoke detector, I should say, like that already. And then on the way up, you've got the toilet. So just got my shoes there. Here we have got a window. It's got a fly screen, so if you guys don't know what that means, that's a little mesh so that the bugs don't get in. Don't know if you guys can see that. We've got some cupboards and a map of Sydney, which I appreciate. I think that's a really cute touch. Got extra pillows, I think, towels, some sheets. Oh, that was my back. Got a kettle, and this is, if I move this way, we've got the bed. So we've got the bed over there. I think this is a, oh, I think that might be a double, or it might be a queen. I'm not sure. Got another window. This place is really cute. Little fridge over here. I've already got like some snacky poos that I got from Woolies in there. Got some water. I'm very funny about water at places like this, so I'll just drink my own. I'll get it from the tap. Then we've got a little section here for some tea, some coffee, which is great because I didn't bring any coffee with me, so I'll just use that in the morning. Got a little chair there as a side table, and I was actually pretty surprised that there's a fan in here because I remember looking at the Airbnb listing, I don't remember seeing a fan, so that's really good. Got a little rug here, a little side table, which is so cute. I don't know what this is, I think it's just for design purposes. And the Airbnb host has got like little notes everywhere, which is really cute. We've got a little piece of paper here with the Wi-Fi. I won't show you guys, but yeah, it's got these nice welcoming messages, really cool. And this is the bathroom. Oh my gosh, I'm not kidding you, I haven't actually seen the bathroom, and wow, this is cute. This is really cute. I like that. My gosh, guys, this is something else. This is real cute, oh, so cute. I love the greenery in here. It's so cool. I think these are oh, actually no, they're not fake, they're real. There you go. So if you guys have allergies, probably stay away from this place. Also in general, because the area has got a lot of like trees and bushes and stuff like that. So if you guys aren't into, if you guys have really bad hay fever allergies, probably not the best place to go. But if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below for the listing. I think it's perfect for anyone that's, you know, just wanting a room really here in Sydney that's pretty close to everything else. I mean, the train station is a bit of a walk, I have to say. It's 20 minutes. There are buses around. I don't know if I'm going to use them, honestly, but if you guys don't mind wandering around, walking around like a tourist, definitely one place to check out. Oh, this is so cute. I think that's a picture of New York, I think. And they've got gosh, they came prepared. They've got like body wash, deodorizing things and stuff. Oh, this place is really cool. And then this is the shower. And it actually looks pretty clean, I have to say. Sometimes showers at Airbnbs kind of freak me out because they're a little bit ooey, but this isn't bad. So I think it's around 4 in the afternoon. 4:19. So the event doesn't start until 6, and I do plan on staying for maybe 2 or 3 hours only because I do have to catch a flight tomorrow at 6 a.m. so I kind of have to make sure I have enough sleep, otherwise I'm going to be wrecked tomorrow at work. And yes, I'm going straight to work tomorrow after, like, I get off of the plane around 8, then I'm just going to rush into the city and then catch a train from the city to work. So yeah, it's going to be quite a rushed event for me. So yeah, it's the first time actually doing something like this, but it was better than the alternative of flying in and flying out. I think that's what wrecked me the last time when I went up to Sydney for an event. I came up in the morning and then left in the evening, and the next day I was just so tired and so sad. So yeah, I thought this might be better in case of future events like this happening. Right guys, I've just chilled and this is my makeup. And yes, I decided to go for something quite intense. I actually used the Urban Decay Smoky palette, and I'm wearing Jacob's Bokeh Beauty Bokeh lashes in Angel, I think. I'll show you guys my outfit. So this is the shirt that I'm wearing. My mum got this for me. I think this might be Zara, but it's really nice. And I also am wearing this with shorts and then just some white shoes. Overall, that's what I look like. Still not happy about this. This needs to go at some point, but I feel more comfortable in this shirt. And yeah, so I'm just gonna order a car to take me there. Alright guys, so we're here. I love this place. This place is always so pretty. I want that. Bathroom for once. I've got a couple of people here. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Batool.
Let's take a boomerang. Let's take a boomerang. Let's go. Oh, say hello, hello. Yeah. Whew, okay guys, so I am back home and it was kind of a bit disorienting, like honestly, from the Uber, because I knew what the house looked like during the daytime, and then at nighttime I got dropped off. I was like, I don't know where the house is. So I had to look on Google Maps and then it's kind of like, I think that's it. And then yeah, I recognized the front door. But anyway, I'm back home. I got a goodie bag and it's pretty heavy. Yeah, thank you so much, Google. So tonight the launch was for the Google Home Hub, which is this guy right here, which is really cool. So it's hands-free device. So it's very similar to the Google Home, if you guys are familiar with it, except this time it's got a touch screen and stuff, so you guys can watch your videos, and you know, it will show you your calendar and your diary and stuff like that. So it's really good. Saw some demonstrations on that. So we've got this one. This is the Google Chromecast. I've actually got one at home already. This thing is actually really good, especially if you have like an older TV and you want to turn it into a smart TV. This is definitely one that you should look out getting. I'm expecting this and I don't even know what it is. It's called the Nest Cam Outdoor Security. Oh, that's cool. It's like 10:15 in the evening, I think. So I have to take my makeup off and then maybe have another quick shower before I hop into bed. Actually, I have to pack everything so that tomorrow when I wake up, I can just grab my bag and then order like a DD or an Ola and then be gone. Yeah, so my flight's at 6:30, so I'm just gonna do an online check-in so that I don't have to go through all the paperwork and stuff. I can just go straight towards like security, get my bag scanned, and then we're off. Good morning guys, it's 4:30 the next day, and I have just realized I forgot to bring my work shoes, so I'm gonna have to wear like my sneakers to work. Hopefully work doesn't mind. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. It's just I feel a little bit funny about it. Anyway, I just need to have some food, get dressed, and then I'm going to order an Ola, and I'm going to head to the airport. Apparently it only is going to take at least 15 minutes to get to the airport at this time of the morning, which is great, because I think last time I took, well, I was still okay with Uber back then. I took an Uber and that took me only 25 minutes, and that was like around 7 or 8 in the evening. So yeah, I'm pretty surprised it takes that much quicker at this time of day, at this time of the morning. I think I'm gonna have like proper breakfast once I get there. I might have like McDonald's, get a hash brown, because I know they're going to give me food on the plane again. Yeah, I feel like my eyes are burning, to be honest. Like I feel like it's just because I'm tired. But I think I'll be fine today, actually. Alright guys, so I'm back in Melbourne and I'm just going to catch the shuttle to the city so I can get myself to work. Hey guys, so it is now Friday night. I completely forgot to film an end clip again. So bad. But anyway, I'm saying goodbye now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Tell me down in the comment box down below if you guys are going to be checking out the Google Home Hub. And again, thank you so much to the Google team for inviting me to the event. It's such an amazing event, and yeah, it was a really fun experience. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!